Hi guys, this is Jackson Carey with the Carey team. Today I'm here with Terri Onderdonk of Remax Orange Beach. We're here at our listing 140 West 8th Avenue. Terri, why don't you tell us a couple of great things about this house?
There's so many great things about this house. I mean, you really have to experience it to really get the true effect of it. However, location is always prime in real estate, and this one's perfect. It's on a quiet street, and it is walkable to everything Gulf Shores, including the beaches. You're right here on Little Lagoon. You have your own boat launch and boat dock, which is extremely rare, and it's been completely renovated. The sellers are generously offering a 2-1 buy down, but what does that mean to you? Jackson, can you tell us about it?
All right guys, so this is a great house, but we also have a great option as far as financing is concerned. The seller's offering a 2-1 buy down, and what that means for the buyer is that the first year of your mortgage, your rate's gonna be lowered by 2 points, and the second year by a full point. Now this is gonna save you a ton of money on your monthly mortgage payment. If you have any questions about this listing, call Terri with Remax Orange Beach, and if you're buying a home in 2024, call the Carey team first.